Hello humans, Seyeren here, and in today's video we are unboxing the June IPSY bag. What? I haven't done one of these in a while. I actually took a break from IPSY while the pandemic was starting because I wasn't sure if I'd be able to afford it or if it was worth it, but I'm very happy to say that I am back to my IPSY ways and I got the June bag and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So let's dig right in. As you can see, the first product that comes out is obviously something that couldn't fit in the bag. But let's look at this bag real quick. Isn't it super cute? I mean, what says summer more than people laying out on beach towels? It looks like sand, the little accent looks like water. Super cute. I'm gonna be using this every day for summer. So let's go to the first product, which is face masks. Your girl loves face masks. I'm super excited to get them. One's pineapple, one's pear. Okay, I see you, IPSY. So they didn't put the product descriptions in this month's bag. They actually put a little calling card, which starts out with "Here Comes the Sun." Yes, I appreciate that. That is me and my mom's song. She sends it to me whenever I'm down, and it always makes me think of her. So anytime "Here Comes the Sun" is mentioned, I'm already on board. But it says 5 tips to maximize your XPF. Can you tell I've been playing video games nonstop? XP. So the first tip, wear it everywhere. Wear sunscreen everywhere, even if you're inside. I have my windows open right now. UV rays are finding their way in, girl. You best believe I got some sunscreen on my face. Yes. Step number 2, 30 and flirty. Doctors agree SPF 30 and higher is best for warding off sun damage. So make sure to wear sunscreen, and not only wear it, but make sure it's SPF 30 or higher. 3, make a habit. The best kind of SPF is one you wear constantly. Apply it as the last step in your AM skincare routine. So usually a good way to do that, if you don't want to buy a specific separate product, just get a moisturizer with an SPF of 30 or higher. Make it simple. Number 4, reapply like a pro. Sunscreens are broken down by UV exposure, so apply often, every 2 hours. Now that is hard when you are wearing makeup, but you can use a powder sunscreen, which a lot of people do when they want to reapply. 5 is keep it fresh. Extreme heat, like a hot car, can hinder protection and lead to early expiration. So stash your sunscreen someplace cool, like in your fridge. I like to keep aloe in my fridge for when I do get burnt, but I try not to get burnt by wearing sunscreen. So these masks are by Hanali? I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm so sorry. But they look really nice. One's for brightening and one's for moisturizing. So I'm really excited to try these out. I will definitely try them out later tonight and I will let you guys know how they are. Just to let you know, I finally put the mask on and it feels really good on my face. When I took it out of the package, it was super juicy, has a lot of the serum in the mask. I'm supposed to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I use the pineapple one, which is good for brightening. So I'm gonna leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll come back, take it off, and let you guys know my final thoughts. Okay guys, it's been 10 to 15 minutes and I'm about to take it off my face. Are you ready? Can you hear it? I don't know if you could hear that. I'm gonna wring out the rest of the serum and put it on my face like it says. So when you take the mask off, there's actually a lot of serum still left on your face, which is really nice. A lot of different sheet masks, when you take the mask off, it almost feels like all of the serum is coming off with it. But this actually left a lot of the serum still on my face. Bunch of extra serum never hurt nobody. Put it all on my neck. I like to put it on my tattoos. I feel like it really helps keep them nice and fresh and moisturized. Final thoughts on this sheet mask. It felt really good on my face. It doesn't feel like sticky or heavy. It's really moisturizing and absorbs into the skin really well, so it's not gonna feel like there's residue left over, which I'm always very happy about. But that's my final thoughts on the sheet masks, and hope you guys are enjoying the rest of the video. But let's keep going through the bag. The next product I'm pulling out is a Manna Kadar. Manna Kadar Beauty Step 3. It's a buildable blush. Bali Veyeb is the color. Ooh, that's pretty. I think we need to test it out. I'm gonna go get a brush. So let's try this out. Ooh, it's a pretty color. It's definitely pigmented. Ooh, and it gives you like almost a I'm sunburnt, but like in a cute way look. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a nice rosy, goldish, peachy color, which works for summer, girl. Yes, I love it. I've also been starting to put blush like on my bridge of my nose. I've been seeing a lot of like e-girls do it and stuff, and it actually looks really cute. But okay, that's the blush. Super cute, super pretty. That's literally just blush. There's no primer. I have no foundation, nothing underneath it. And that is a beautiful glow. If you're wanting something simple and natural, just shove this on your face and you glow from the inside, girl. Next, we have a Preventive Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm with moisture release technology in passion fruit. Let's try it out. Ooh, it smells really good. And it's really smooth. Oh my god, and it tastes so good. So chapstick is my weakness. It's my favorite thing ever. And I'm always really happy when I get them in an IPSY bag because I'm addicted to them. And it feels so good. My lips get really chapped in the Florida sun. They just get baked all day. And this is really moisturizing. I definitely would purchase this. Now I'm trying to get into this next one. I am happy that they packaged these so well, but it's a pain in the butt. Oh no! Oh no! I dropped it. I dropped it. Oh no! Okay, there we go. So this is Maëlle Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in the shade Nectar. Let's try it out. It's a very light color. You have to use quite a bit for the pigment to show up, but it is a very nice like beachy color. It's like an orangish pink, like sunset color. The actual crayon itself is very moisturizing on the lips, so you wouldn't even need to put that lip balm on underneath. I think just this alone would do the trick. If you're wanting to go quick, you can just have that blush and this in there. Boom! You look beachy, you look glowing, you look gorgeous. Yes, I'm there. I'm there for it. I'm freaking there for it. I'm gonna stop. I need to calm down. Anyways, we got one more product, so let's go into it. And of course, it is the Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder. I love these mini setting powders, honestly, because the big ones that I use every day are great, but they're way too big to fit in a bag like this when I'm on the go. This is a perfect size to just throw in there, get a little tiny puff, and you're good to go. So let's try this out. I'm gonna put it like in my oily spots to see if it helps de-oilify my face. I'm gonna knock some into the top, just because that's the easiest way to do it. Just a little bit, because I just want to test a little bit of it out. I'm gonna put it on my sponge. Let's see. Okay, definitely gives a nice blurring effect. This It's definitely mattifying the oily spots on my face, so I love that. Can't argue with that. Yes, this is a great setting powder. It's not always the easiest thing in the world to find a setting powder that works for my face because sometimes they really irritate me. I don't know why, maybe it's just the fact that I have really dry skin and it like dries me out even more. But this is really light on the face. It feels really nice. It absorbs into the skin really well. And it definitely took away that shine that was on my face. But yeah, that is my June IPSY bag. It's hard to pick a favorite product because they're all amazing. I think I'd have to say the blush. It's so pretty. It just has this really pretty, like almost bronzed, like tan glow. So it looks really good for summer. Yeah, I think the blush is my favorite. But yep, this was my IPSY June bag. I'm really excited for the products that came. They are really perfect for summer, and they're gonna make a perfect addition to all of the makeup that I already have. Which, speaking of, I have quite a few makeup review videos coming up because I got a lot of makeup recently. With the pandemic and everything, I've been a little bored and stir crazy, and I was going to personally purchase the Conspiracy palette finally, but the best boyfriend in the world purchased it for me and surprised me with it. So your girl has the Conspiracy palette and the mini controversy, and we are going to be making a video very soon on that. I also got an exclusive palette from Urban Decay through a influencer program that I am a part of. It is the Urban Decay Ultraviolet Naked palette. I'm really excited to review that. I got it exclusive before it even came out in stores, so make sure to keep an eye out for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel where I will be posting new videos every Wednesday, so definitely tap that bell to get notifications of when those come out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, make sure to drop them in the comments below. And as I said, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. You guys are the best.